Welcome back to my channel. The 2026 Honda Prelude is finally here, and it feels like Honda has brought back a legend with a modern twist. As you walk up to it, the first thing that grabs attention is the sleek, low-slung coupe profile that instantly reminds you of the classic Prelude spirit, but reshaped for the future. From the front, the sharp LED headlights carve out an aggressive, belied sporty look, and the wide grille gives the car a bold presence that feels both confident and refined. Aerodynamic channels flow across the hood and sides, guiding the eye all the way to the sculpted rear, where the full-width LED light bar gives the Prelude a distinctly futuristic identity. Move to the side, and you notice how the 2026 model sits low on its feet, with flared wheel arches housing performance-oriented alloy wheels. The long doors, the coupe silhouette, and the smooth roofline refine the car's sporty character. Every angle feels intentional, whether you're looking at it from the right, left, up close, or from a wider shot. Tech carries its heritage with pride while stepping into a new era. At the back, the integrated spoiler lip and dual exhaust outlets signal that this isn't just a stylish two-door means business. Honda placed emphasis on balance, and you can see that reflected in every inch of its design. Step inside and the cabin surprises you with a mix of minimalist elegance and advanced technology. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and customizable, while the central touchscreen blends seamlessly into the dashboard. Soft touch materials wrap around the cockpit, and the seats hug you just right, whether you're cruising or carving corners. Honda even tuned the steering wheel to have a satisfying weight, giving you more control and confidence. But performance is where the 2026 Prelude becomes truly exciting. Under the hood, the new hybrid-assisted 2.0-liter engine generates lively acceleration while keeping efficiency in check. The combination of electric torque and combustion power gives the car a smooth yet responsive feel, especially during overtakes and quick bursts. The suspension is tuned to deliver a sweet spot between comfort and sportiness. It's absorbing bumps without losing the connection to the road. The car feels planted during sharp turns thanks to Honda's updated chassis dynamics and improved weight distribution. Driving the Prelude almost feels like a conversation between you and the machine. The throttle responds instantly, the steering is precise, and the brakes inspire confidence with every press. Honda has made sure the car delivers excitement without overwhelming everyday drivers. Even someone without deep automotive knowledge will appreciate how natural it feels on the road. The Prelude also shines in safety and convenience. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic braking, and blind spot monitoring blend smoothly into the driving experience without being intrusive. The interior tech supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system that turns every drive into a mini escape. What makes the 2026 Prelude stand out is how well it blends nostalgia with modern sensibilities. It brings back the emotional connection of classic Hondas, but adds futuristic design, hybrid performance, and comfort that today's drivers expect. Honda didn't just revive a name, they revived a feeling. Whether you're viewing it from the front bumper, close-up, scanning along the right or left side, checking the rear angles, or sitting inside, the Prelude offers something exciting from every perspective. It's a coupe built for enthusiasts, for daily drivers, and for anyone who appreciates a stylish, well-balanced machine. The 2026 Honda Prelude isn't just a comeback, it's a statement that performance, design, and innovation can exist in perfect harmony.